Breaking news. The plane carrying an unknown monster made an emergency landing. According to the information, one of the pilots picked up the phone and read the message, "Do not read SMS from the unfamiliar number." I believed it? What nonsense. Perhaps that's enough. I think I'm already kind of gorged. Perhaps that's enough. I'm already kind of stuffed. This has been lying here long enough. It's time to throw it out. This has been lying here long enough. It's time to throw it out. These are all fairy tales. I was told that she comes in a dream and takes you into her fictional world, feeding on your suffering. And if you're weak, well, you will never be able to get out of sleep. This is just complete nonsense. Because of all these strange events about some Momo. What the hell happened here? Damn, this pizza would be enough for tomorrow. Well, my room is trashed, and I'm still a vampire. Don't believe I existed. What? Let's see how you like this nightmare. What the hell is going on here? Who the hell is in the closet? Is it attached? The bones don't seem to be broken. What is this place? This is not our home! If you find this letter, it means I still haven't returned. Great. It wasn't that hard. What? What is this place? Prison? I can't open this door. Who is this in our cage? Huh. What an awkward situation. It's so familiar to me. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Tim. Come on, Tim. Ah, Tim. Run. It's a bird with a woman's face. I can't open this door. Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what. Ugh, it stinks in here. Nothing happened. Maybe one more time? This place is locked for a reason. There's clearly something here. Did she notice me? It seems like it passed. That thing! How do I get out now if she's there? I can't open this door. Huh? Where did she go? Apparently it's locked on some kind of mechanism, but I need to find out what. It looks like some kind of old prison with a security room. But who the hell was being held here? Huh? She's gone somewhere again? What kind of game are you playing? Oh, you're so resistant. I like to feel your... Damn it, the tire iron's broken!
Momo.